Magic likes trying to get into the fridge. He's fascinated. Oh, I know what you're thinking, Magic. Psst, Magic. He'll jump up. Sometimes does. He's preparing to jump up. Look, look. Oh, he botched that one, didn't you? No, you're not jumping in there. Now, if you can figure out how to get up there, around there, around there, around there, jump up there, and then push your paw, you can just do that. He still hasn't figured it out. Look in the freezer. What should we have? Oh, look at that fish up there, Magic. Come on, go on, Magic. Come on. Gosh. You're everywhere, aren't you? What the heck are you doing now, Magic? Yes, he having his meal. Are you finished? You coming on the bed? Coming on the bed? You're greedy, aren't you? Gotta have your snack before settling down. Uh-oh. Magic. Psst, Magic. He's thinking about jumping over there. You bugger. See, go around there, Magic. Come around here. Around here and up here. Magic. See, come on. Here's the way. Come up here. Look, Madge. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. He was thinking of jumping. He's going to fuck it up and knock all those... What? Look at that precision. Now, if you can figure out how to open the door, Magic. Fucking hell, now oh, no. Oh, shit. Now he's going to be all over the fuck. He's going to knock things... Come on, down. No. I shouldn't have shown you this, Magic. Down. Come on. Down. Go on. Whoa. No, I shouldn't have shown you that, Magic. He knows the hams.